Just wondering if anybody else has come across this situation. I went to see a couple the other day and I went to their property and they were hearing that low frequency bass noise from the neighbour's subwoofer. They were hearing that that noise, and they could hear it in every room in their property. There was just no escape from that noise from the neighbour. Now this particular property had a insulation system on the outside of the property. It's one of these properties that are covered in a never paint again render. They'd actually wrapped the house in rigid insulation and then rendered over the top of it. So I went outside the front door whilst the neighbour was playing the music from next door. So they were playing that low frequency bass noise. I just happened to be in the house during the consultation whilst the neighbour's music came on, and I put my finger in one ear and I put my ear against the render of the property. So I'm outside the front door, finger in one ear against the outside of the property, and I could clearly hear the music, and the homeowners did exactly the same, and they could hear the music down the outside of the property. So the noise was transmitting through that rigid insulation across the whole of the house. So that's a reason why they're hearing the neighbour noise in every room of their property, because they're rigid insulation on the outside. This is considered a main cause. It means it doesn't matter what soundproofing they do to the property, unless they address that main cause, the rigid insulation on the outside of the property, then the noise will still come through.